So the RE toolkit, Royal Enfield toolkit that they give with the bike, the Interceptor, is very comprehensive, I must say. So first thing is you have the rear shock absorber adjuster, and plus you also have your 24 spanner, which can be used in case of emergency. Let me show you. To take out your wheel. Yeah, that's neat. Only thing is the lever is short, and so you'll have to put in more effort because of the leverage point being less. Alright, so which is good. It's really good. And you have 24 to open even the front wheel. Right? Yeah, which is just, yeah. And now I'll show you how to adjust your shock absorbers. Now here, because there is so much of mud, it is not that smooth. So put it onto this. Can you see the sand grinding? That's how dirty it is. Now I've adjusted it for 3 steps, and I'm hoping it'll be. After changing the stiffness of my rear shock absorbers by 3 points, that is, it was in point number 1 and we shifted it to point number 3, and thereby making it even more stiffer. The difference I noticed is whenever I go down a pothole or a bump on the road, that is, usually with the softest setting, it used to bounce back and hit me back on my spine. Okay, so it would be a bit painful in those instances, but now that has reduced. Okay, because of the stiffness, I no longer feel the rebound hitting my back, hitting me through my hips, and then passing the shock through my spine. So that has reduced. And I think this point number 3 is a sweet spot. Anything more stiffer, it might maybe decrease the ride quality. So it also depends on the kind of load you have on your motorcycle. That is, if you have more load, the stiffer it should be. So now, as of now, since I ride solo, point number 3 suits me fine. So just a feedback on how this translated into real life riding experience by shifting from point 1 to point 3 in the rear shock absorber stiffness setting. Ciao.